The Sum Components property stencil allows us to sum up any grouping of components that we would like to see within ProMax. To use this property stencil, we drag it onto our flow sheet, and when you let go, it will ask you which stream you're interested in. So I'm going to choose my flash gas 1 stream. Once I click OK, it will then ask me what type of summation I want to create, whether that's a mass flow, a molar flow, or it can even be their fractions as well. But I'll stick with mass flow for now. Clicking OK again, it now asks me what units I would like to see the summation in. And if I click OK again, I get to the types of groupings that we can create to do this summation. Now we can create our own user-defined grouping, or we can use the groupings that are already pre-installed within the stencil. If I look at this drop-down menu, I can see that it will sum up things such as amines, or there are a variety of emission-related summations such as BTECs and HAPs, and greenhouse gases and VOCs. And scrolling down further, we can see that it will also sum up different groups of hydrocarbons for us. Now if I return to the top, if I select to create my own user-defined grouping, once I click OK, it will come up with a list of all the components I have in my environment, and then I can choose the individual components I would like to see. So if I wanted to create a summation of everything with exactly 6 carbons, I could come in and choose benzene as well as my hexane. And when I click OK, this will now report back a summation of my hexane plus my benzene. If I want to change the wording that is displayed here, and if I want to include the fact that this is my C6s, I can double click on the stencil and choose this Edit Source button. And this will allow me to include either a prefix or a suffix with this wording. So if I wanted to write at the end that I was going to have that this is all my C6s, I can enter that in as a suffix and click OK. And now at the end, this lets me know what it is that I am summing up.